Have you been working on your core and not getting any results? Or have you been doing a lot of core exercises to get fit and you end up injuring your neck or your back? I find the word core, to be a highly misunderstood word. Okay, people think that core is something else when it's not. Your core makes up of a lot of different muscles, and unless all these muscles work together in balance, you can get injured or you may not even get the result that you want. For this specific thing, I have created a 10 session program called Foundational Core and Advanced Core. The foundational core is where you isolate every single core muscle and learn how to activate that and how to strengthen it individually, but also integrated exercises you will do to make sure that the whole core functions together as one. And this applies into all your workouts, into your cycling, into your running, or really anything that you're doing through the day. So you will end up with a nice strong core, but also aesthetic looking as well. Now, people who have done basic core, have done foundational core, are able to do the advanced core now. Or if you are one of those who have already worked on the core muscles properly and now think that I need to do something more advanced, then the advanced 10 session program might be right for you. So you can figure out which one it is that suits your needs, whether the core foundation, which I would highly recommend if you want to learn to do core exercises the right way and to do it in a structured, progressive way, then that might be the one that you may want to pick. Or if you feel that you have done one and you are good with the basic stuff, then you can move on to the advanced core exercises. Both of these programs are available to you. I will put a link below for you for this. If you have questions about whether this will help you, or if you have an ongoing back pain issue or a neck pain issue and you are wondering whether the core will help that, then you can get in touch with me. I will put the number down below as well. I hope to see you in either one of the core programs, and I will see you soon.